I will never stress about debt again after learning these tips. Hey there, do you feel like your debt is a giant monster? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's talk about how to tackle those loans and credit cards. First, make a list of all your debts. Yes, every single one. It might seem scary, but it's the first step to taking control. Next, focus on the smallest debt and pay it off first. This is called the snowball method. It gives you quick wins and keeps you motivated. Alternatively, tackle the debt with the highest interest rate first. This is the avalanche method. It saves you money in the long run. Now let's talk about budgeting. Track your income and expenses. Cut out unnecessary spending and direct that money towards your debt. Consider consolidating your debts. This means combining them into one loan with a lower interest rate. It simplifies payments and can save you money. And don't forget to reach out for help if you need it. There are many resources like credit counseling that can guide you. Remember, crushing debt takes time, patience, and consistency. You've got this. Stay focused, and you'll be debt-free before you know it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.